YouTubers. I'm doing a video on this tar and sap remover. This is from a brand called Terminator. The brand is Stoner Car Care. I got this at Harbor Freight. It was like $6.99. And the reason why I bought it is because it removes tar in seconds and it's safe for clear coats. Okay, I want to buy something that's safe, that will not ruin my clear coat. And you can see right here that I've got tar places all over my truck. Okay, I haven't done anything to this truck in over 2 years since I've had it. And I also have a pretty good size buildup, as you can see, on both sides right here. Okay, this is my fender well. But you see all these tar spots all on my vehicle. So what I was going to do was try this product and see how well it works. Now I read the directions, and the directions told me to first try it at in a small area first to see how well it's going to work. Okay, I've already done that and it worked. So I'm going to go ahead and wet it. You're supposed to wet it first, then kind of get some of the loose dirt off. Then you're supposed to come back and apply the product, and then rinse it down. Then I got some water in this bottle. Okay, apply the product, rinse it down, and you might have to go back and do a second application to get everything off. So that's what I'm about to do. Okay, let's see here. Let's do one section at a time, so I'm going to start over here first. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and wet it down pretty good. Let it sit for a few minutes, and then I'll apply the product. Okay, I'm about to apply the product in this small area. You can see how it's going to work. Okay, the instructions say to wait about 30 to 60 seconds and immediately wipe off with a soft cloth. Okay, do not let the Terminator sit for over 1 minute without rinsing. Okay, I just rinsed it. I just put that on there, and it was kind of strong. So, okay, I got a towel. So it's been about 30 seconds, and I can already see it starting to work. It's starting to break it down. Okay, you see the film build up. So let's see. Oh, okay, it's coming right off. See that? Alright, so it took it right off. So, see that dirt build up right there? Okay, and I haven't rinsed it yet, so. But it's taking a lot of it off. It looks a whole lot better than what it looked like before. Alright, so, okay, I got most of it off. So let me rinse it. Okay, and it looks like it's working. So it took the tar and the buildup right off, and pretty easy to do. So let me pull some more of it off. All right, give me just a minute here. So there you go. So the product does work. It says do a small section at a time, and then wait 30 to 60 seconds, and then after you apply the sap remover, and then get like a paper towel or something to rinse it off, and then you can rinse it off with water. So The buildup and the tar came right off, so the product works pretty good. I'm just gonna make a comparison. Okay, here's one side. I'm gonna go over to this other side, and you see this side over here. So this side over here was just like the other side. So see how well it worked.